Welcome to the class, my dear students. Today we will be going to discuss important multiple choice questions of the chapter 3, classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Fine. So my first question is, in a modern periodic table, the period indicates the value of. My question is, in a modern periodic table, the period indicates the value of. Options are atomic number, atomic mass, principal quantum number, I am writing it with N, and D is your azimuthal or secondary quantum number. Just see this question. My question is, in a modern periodic table, the period indicates the value of. Answer is principal quantum number. Suppose it is 2s2, then this quantum number, last subshell, indicates your period. Fine? The period is indicated by the principal quantum number. Second question. Suppose in the long form of periodic table, I am writing shortcut PT means periodic table. The valence shell electronic configuration, valence means outermost shell, of 5s2 and 5p4 corresponds to element present in. My first option is group 60 and period 6. My second option is group 17 and period 6. My third option is group 16 and period 5. My fourth option is group 17 and period 5. Just read the question once. In the long form of periodic table, if the valence shell electronic configuration is this, then what will be its period and group? I mean the location of the element. See the last quantum number, it is 5. Then for sure period must be 5. Now it's p block element, then see the valence electrons, it will be 2 plus 4 plus 10. Because for p block elements, we calculate the group number by adding the valence electrons and 10. So it will be 16. So your correct option will be C. It is important question. Fine? My third question is, arrange sulfur, oxygen and selenium, arrange SO and Se in ascending, please don't get confused, ascending, descending, in ascending order of electron affinity. First option is this, second is, third is, and fourth is. Electron affinity and electron gate enthalpy are closely related to each other. Electron affinity has a little bit amount less than that of electron gain enthalpy. But in books we are using electron gain enthalpy because it is only calculated at zero absolute temperature. You have to arrange in order, ascending order. Ascending means first write that one whose electron affinity is less, then more, then most. So what will be the correct option? Speak. A. It will be A. Just check their positions in the periodic table, na? It belongs to group 14. They both belongs to group 16. Fine. So with this you can arrange them. This kind of question also come in CBSE and your competitive exams. Same type of questions. Fine. Next very important question. Same kind of question is in your NCERT back exercise also. Same kind of question. The question is the number of elements in the fifth period of PT's periodic table is. You have to calculate the number of elements. Solve it. Try to solve. 3, 9, 8, 18. How you will calculate? Always see the number of elements in present and fifth. Last shell, just see. It is accompanied by fifth period, which means 5s, 5p, and 5p also includes 4d. So how many electrons are there in S? 2, 6, 10. So total is 18, which means this period must include 18 elements. Okay? Next, which of the following has most negative electron gain enthalpy? My options are chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. They all belongs to same group, group 70. They are halogens. Fine. And along the groups, the EGE become less negative. But it is the exceptional case. So answer is fluorine. This must be fluorine, but actually it is chlorine because they should follow this order. The EGE for fluorine should be most negative, but actually chlorine has most negative EGE due to small size and high electronegativity of fluorine. It experiences greater electron repulsion. So for avoiding that repulsions, interelectronic repulsions, some energy has to be first give to the fluorine. That's why its EGE is less. My next question is, for the same the correct order of for the size of iodine, the correct order for the size you have iodine, iodide and I plus. Answers are
I plus,
I. Options are 5. It is neutral, it is anion, it is cation. As you all know, cations are smaller in size than the neutral one, and anions are bigger in size than the neutral one. So this is your correct option. Option D. Solve with me, everyone. Solve it. Next question. For the same value of n, for the same value of n, the penetration power means closeness to the nucleus. The penetration power of orbitals follows the order. The value of n is same. Suppose it is 4, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. For example. So, options are for the same value of n, the penetration powers of orbitals follows the order. Penetration means closeness to the nucleus. So s orbital is more close, then the p, then d, then f. So option 1 first is your correct answer. Fine? Its penetration power is more for a particular value of p. Next question. Which one will have the highest second ionization energy? Which one will have the second highest IE? Very good question. You have to check second IE. So options are 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Remember second IE, not first. After second IE, it will be converted into, suppose after first IE it is 3s1, after first IE it will be 2p2, and after first IE it will be 2p6, and it will be 2p5. Now for second IE, in this electron will be removed from S. In this electron will be removed from B. But this case is the fully filled configuration. And fully filled configuration or half filled configuration have greater ionization energy. First check what they will form after first removal of electron. When first electron will be removed, they will be converted into this configuration. Fine? Now you have to remove second electron from this configuration. In all of these, this is a stable, fully filled configuration. So the answer is third option. It will have second IE more. Very good question it is. Very good question. Next question. The chemistry of lithium is very similar to that of magnesium. The chemistry of lithium is very similar to that of magnesium, but they are placed in different groups. Even though they are placed in different groups, the reason behind it, the reason is both have nearly same size. Their charge density, that is charge over size ratio, also known as polarizing power, is same. See, they have similar electronic configuration. And last is all of these. I repeat the question. The properties of lithium is similar to that of magnesium. The reason behind is they have nearly same size. Their charge density, that is charge by size ratio, is same. They have similar electronic configuration, or all of these. Answer will be second. Their polarizing power is same. They belongs to different groups. Fine. Their charge by size, charge density is same. Next question. Which of the following properties, generally decreases along a period? Metallic character, valency, electron affinity, and IE. Along the period, that is from left to right in a periodic table, electron affinity become electron affinity? No. It does not increase.
Metallic.
Ionization energy, it increases. Valency, do not show a particular order. First it increases, then decreases. And after that, metallic. So your answer is metallic. Fine. It decreases along the periods and increases along the groups. Next question. The group number of valence electrons and valency of an element with atomic number 15 is the group number of valence electrons and valency of an element with atomic number 15. It is 16, 5 and 2 respectively. 5, which means group number 16, valence electrons 5 and valency 2 respectively. 15, 5 and 3. C, 16, 6 and 3. D, 15, 6 and 2. Object number 15 is for speak. Phosphorus. Fine. It is for phosphorus. Right configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p. So valence electrons are how much? 5. 5. And it belongs to which group? 5 plus 10, that is 15. And its valency is 3. So answer will be option B. Next, representative elements are those which belongs to. Representative elements are those which belongs to representative elements are those which belongs to P and D block, S and D block, S and P block, and P and F block. Representative elements are S and P block elements. Fine. Group 1, 2 and group 13 to 18. These are your representative elements. Last question. The correct order of first IE. The correct order of first IE ionization energy among following elements beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen is it will be, you have to tell the order. First ionization for serial location. How they are arranged? In periods or groups? Check. In periods. And along the periods, ionization energy decreases. Sorry, increases. This must be the order. But actually, this is the order.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because of the configuration. Nitrogen has half-filled configuration. Fine? So here the answer is second option. This must be, mostly we put this, but this is the exceptional case. So kindly check all the options very carefully. Fine? Because in multiple choice questions, you find most of the answers are correct. Okay? So these are the important questions of chapter 3. Okay dear students, see you in the next class. Bye-bye.